spacious living and dining area. As you can see, the living you will get fully modular kitchen with the lower and the upper is your master bedroom, which is very spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Supreme Boulevard by Supreme Universal located in Chembur. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And we will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. So this is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction is in full swing. Supreme Universal is a self-funded organization with a guarantee of giving early possession than RERA. So as you can see, we are at the model of the project and over here is Devnar Village Road, from where you can see the entrance of the project. And this is a project. Now I will tell you the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 5 acres, having 4 towers, out of which we are launching tower A and B, and C and D will be in future development. Each tower has ground plus 34 residential floors having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 30 plus resort-like amenities with an adult swimming pool, kids swimming pool, jacuzzi, kids play area, 4 level of clubhouse that is spread across 20,000 square feet. We have a mini theater in the clubhouse and tennis court at the top of the clubhouse. We also have a cafe, open theater, multi-purpose court, pickleball court, and many more amenities within the project. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Devnar Village Road opposite Raheja Acropolis, Chembur, from where Chembur railway station is only 10 minutes drive, upcoming metro station is only 10 minutes by walk, D-Mart is only 5 minutes drive, and school, colleges, hospital is within 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now we are standing outside the 3 BHK of Supreme Boulevard. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1170 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a smart door lock with an intercom, and you will get this foyer area that gives your living and your whole flat full privacy. To the right, after entering, we have a kitchen. You will get fully modular kitchen with the lower and the upper cabinets, granite platforms, stainless steel sink, the hob and the chimney will also be provided. And also, you can see the kitchen is very spacious. You will get full French windows with a dryer area where you can place your washing machine. And in this corner, you can place your refrigerator. Moving forward, over here you will get your spacious living and dining area. As you can see, the living and dining is very spacious. In the living, you can place your sofas, your center tables and customize your TV unit. Also, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony. In the balcony, you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and enjoy tea time with your family. As you can see, the balcony is very spacious. You will get a beautiful view of your neighborhood from this balcony. Moving forward, here is a dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy meals with your family. Now let's move forward. Over here we have a common bedroom which is very spacious to place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables, and you have wardrobe space provided which is tall enough to customize your lofts. In this bedroom you will get half French windows with a glass facade to give you beautiful view, and you can also customize your TV unit over here. Right opposite to a common bedroom, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. You will get washroom as it is. You can see you will get the glass partition and the mirror provided. And geysers is also provided in all the washrooms. May I mention some of the USPs that you will be getting vitrified tiles in all the apartments, and you will be provided marble flooring from 1170 square feet onwards. You will also be getting ACs in all the bedrooms and the living room. Fans are also provided in all the bedrooms and the living room, and also you will get false ceiling with the lighting provided in the whole apartment. Now let's move forward to our master bedrooms. As you can see, you will get an alley area that give your bedrooms full privacy. Over here we have a first master bedroom and the second bedroom of this 3 BHK that is very spacious to place your king and queen size bed along with the side tables, and you can see the space besides the bed is also very much for a person to walk easily. Here you will get wardrobe space provided where you can also customize lofts if you want. You will get half French windows with glass facade in this bedroom. And here is our attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings and all the glass partitions and mirror. Before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then you can book your own free site visit by registering on housey.com. Now let's move to the last master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, here is your master bedroom which is very spacious. You can place your king size bed along with the side tables, and you have enough space for people to walk besides the bed also. You can customize your TV unit, your makeup corner, or you can make this your study corner. In this bedroom also, you will get half French windows with a glass facade for your safety and great. Here you have the wardrobe space provided that you can customize as per your choice. Over here we have the attached washroom that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. May I remind you again that you will get geysers in all the washrooms, and glass partition and mirrors are also provided. You will get semi-finished apartments, and also all you have to do is get your loose furniture and move in. Also, if you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link. At last, I would like to ask you just one question. You have been watching our videos, and what changes do you consider? Do let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Supreme Boulevard by Supreme Universal located in Chembur.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.